Hi, today in front of me Infinix Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First, let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on this switcher, and after that we'll see a list of all of the available networks. For example, let's use this one. If you wanna see here we should enter the password. If you wanna see this password, you should click here to this icon. I'll enter it out of screen. After that, click here to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select here more networks, just enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that just switch between them when you'll have the slow internet connection. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should also use the switcher if you want to turn it off. Also, yet one more way how we can do that, just you should open notification panel shortcut. Here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate it or just to turn it off. And if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, hold it for a while, and now just select here your network or just click to more settings, and by the same way here enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.